If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Fortnite, this guide will help you troubleshoot and optimize your settings for a better gaming experience. Follow these steps to resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your microphone settings. Ensure that your microphone is properly connected and recognized by your device. Go to your system settings and verify that the microphone is enabled and set as the default recording device. Step 2. Adjust Fortnite voice chat settings. Launch Fortnite and navigate to the settings menu. Under the audio settings, make sure that voice chat is enabled. Check the voice chat volume and ensure it is turned up. Step 3. Test your network connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for voice chat functionality. Run a speed test to check your connection speed and stability. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 4. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause issues with voice chat. Check for updates for your audio drivers through your device manager or the manufacturer's website. Install any available updates and restart your device. Step 5. Restart Fortnite on your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve technical issues. Close Fortnite completely and restart your gaming device. After rebooting, launch Fortnite again and check if the voice chat is working. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize your voice chat settings in Fortnite. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance. Happy gaming!